Hi, it's Kev here from Data Sites, and in a short video I'm going to show you how you can connect Power BI Desktop to your Accelo data lake in your data hub and automate your data between Accelo and PowerBI.com. So, first step, open up Power BI Desktop, click on Get Data, SQL Server. We would assume that you've created an account with us, free trial, hooked up to your Accelo data, and you're well on the way. We've got various videos, and hit us up in the chat if you need some help with that. And essentially, then you just need to copy the server name here, and please always select direct query. Never go mix mode, never go import. Your life will become hell down the road. We always want to do direct query. What that means is that we're enabling real-time reporting from PowerBI.com and not actually pulling any data into the Power BI report itself, which is a terrible idea. Don't do it, trust me. So anyway, we go there. Now you will get, it's because I've logged in previously before, you will get another screen which has got a database little tab, and you click on there, and essentially you just copy the username, this one, and the password from your platform into here, and you'll get into the database. This is a once-off exercise. After this, you can go to recent sources and you'll see your database there, and you select and you're away. So now, for example, if you wanted to pull in, say, Accelo invoices, you go, you load, and away you go. And from here, it's standard Power BI reporting work. Obviously, when you're ready, you save, you publish up to your PowerBI.com account. You enter in those details once, the database details one more time in the credential settings screen. PowerBI.com will show you where to put that. And away you go. You now have automated Power BI reports directly to Accelo. Okay. Any questions, anytime, please hit us up in the chat box. Slack, Teams, email, pigeon carrier, doesn't matter. We'll be here and help you no matter what stage of the journey you're in. Okay. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.